All right, let's see what's going on.
Coach, can I take a look at Tesla?
Yep, I'm on it. Yeah, okay. 2-minute EWO riders. Who still has the one left? You should.
I have one left.
Thank you. Does everybody see how we're still at VWAP and it has not broken, held through it? And you only have one. Everything is paid for, right? This is why we do it. And listen, again, the only reason I'm doing this is to train and condition your brains to stay in green trades. Seriously, this is why. This is why I also say just leave one, because there can't be much damage and you will never allow that one to go from green to red, no matter what it does. I don't care if it's anywhere near VWAP. You don't let it ever go from green to red, right? Because if you got in on the 2-minute, you guys got in this candle. There's no way in hell this will ever go red on you unless it came down to here. Make sense? And you already know you're not going to be there because you're getting out somewhere down here. Does everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Think about it. Even on the last one, this whole area is all profit. See it? All of that. Even on the last one. But I'm training and conditioning you to stay in the trade. That's all we're doing. That's it. Tesla, we got a candle breaking through. Is this confirmation of break of VWAP?
Not yet.
Nope, not yet. Why?
It hasn't broken down.
That's right. It's not a giant long candle, and it's not one that came through with a confirmation just below that one. Now you watch, because if this gets bought back up, all you're going to see is a wick that's stuck. Now, if you get another candle with this in 10 seconds, or this bleeds out, then I would get out. But right now, all this is testing the waters, right?
Coach, you still wouldn't short it at this point?
I wouldn't short this until it broke below this 55.
Love you. Thanks.
Yep. Okay, right here. Here's your confirmation, and I'm out. That's it. This candle right here, this one was the one. This broke through VWAP, gave me this candle. I'm out. So let's review this trade. EWO riders. You got in here, flat, last sell. I want you guys to look at this too. If we look at this big picture, this is what's really crazy. So those of you that are doing 2-minute or want to, or some kind of desire, I need you to really focus on this with me. This is the 2-minute. And listen, it could be anywhere in this candle. This indicator was higher than the previous. Longing it. I'm above VWAP. Now I want you guys to look at this big picture. Oh, well, it's easy to look at after the fact. It was easy when you were in it because I told you to leave it alone. Yes? I want you to look at this. And then I want you in your heads to be like, that's where I got out. And I want you to look when I do this. Up, flat. That's consolidation. Did you see it pull back here? No. Up. Consolidation. You see this? Did that pull back? No. Blast it up. Consolidation. But did this one pull back? That's 50%. If we're looking at this big picture and looking at this, that is your exactly first spot where you take money. Now, isn't that insane when you go back now and look at this trade? Big picture. How many times from here to here, which is all the way until 1024, were you all panicking and shedding?
Lots.
Yep. And think about it. So every time you saw a red candle, every time it like, oh, pulled up and pulled back and oh, but I want you to look at it, big picture. So right here, flat, sell. Are we all on the same page? This is a huge masterclass training moment. Huge.
Yes, I like how you identify when it broke, then you would have to get 50% out. That was a key right there.
Yeah, because remember what I always say, it'll look like a triangle. So look at it, big triangle. Because what has to happen is if it comes up and goes flat like this, that's not a triangle. It'll come up, pull back. That's the difference. Not it comes up, flat, comes up, flat, comes up, pulls back. See it?
That's your indication right there. Thank you,
Yes.
Coach.
Does that make sense, everybody? Do you see the major change in just that little thing? I'm telling you, this is going to change your lives forever if you guys are listening to me. So same thing here. Let's say now we're in this. It went up, consolidates, right here pulled back. There's the little bit. If we were micro looking at it, consolidate, up, flat, pullback. This, the hangman, out. These are the little things, though, that I want you guys identifying. And I also want you guys to remind yourself this whole time while you were freaking out. And I kept saying, don't worry about it. Leave it alone. Stop tripping. It's okay. And everybody, and I know where all the pain really came from. Trust me, I know, especially when you're way up. This was the largest pain point, right?
Yeah, that was a long wait
Yeah,
there.
and this is where it will scare people. And this is why I kept telling you, everybody in here, I kept saying, listen, this is good. This is a good thing because you had momentum to the upside. It was staying up very tall. It never started to come back to where it came from. Everything looked good. So again, start looking big picture. Stop freaking out on the per candles. If you guys are doing 2-minute EWOs, you can take the candle stuff and you can throw it right in the trash. Seriously. The only thing we're looking for on the candles is, did it pull back or not? Is it consolidating, climbing, or pulling back? That's all you care about. It's not, oh, the 3 crows turned into doji, acrobat, flip man, moon river dance character. Nobody cares. None of that matters. None of that matters. You guys are in the trade, trading the trade, watching the key levels, looking for pullbacks to shed. Otherwise, you're going to ride it. It's trending. Listen, the 2-minute EWO is designed for trending. This is why I love, like, when Apple picks a lane and goes for it. I hate it when it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. We want it to choose a path, go that way. We'll ride it out. That's what we want.